Here's how to change the battery on a solar watch. They do go bad after a while, especially if you have left it out of the sun for a prolonged period of time. So first you want to open the back of your watch, however that works, and turn it counterclockwise. And then on this watch, there's a little black spacer in there. So I need to remove the spacer that covers up the battery. And then you can see the battery there. A lot of these are the same style, but they have slightly different arrangements with those two pins that you see there. So one of those is held on by a screw. So you unscrew the little tiniest screw in the world, and that makes it able for you to pop the battery out. And then if we take a close-up look at the battery, you can see there's a pin that has the circle in it where it's screwed on, and then another little pin that holds it in place. This is the model number of it, MT920. A lot of these watches use the same battery and have a slightly different little pin arrangement, so you just want to make sure it's the same. And then if you read the Japanese writing on there, I just got one that had the exact same Japanese writing as the one that I was replacing. And then you just put it in. There's a guide pin that goes into a little groove, and that makes sure that the little hole for the screw is aligned. And then you just put the screw back in. This is pretty difficult to do because it's so tiny. Then you snap the plastic cover back on if you have one, and make sure that the gasket around it is in its groove as well, so it will be waterproof when you're done. And then just clockwise screw the back on, and then tighten it up with your watch tool. Then make sure the second hand is ticking and set the time on it by pulling the crown out, setting it to the correct time, and then pushing it in. And if you have a locking crown, hold it down and seal it so it's waterproof. And next, go out in the sun and charge it up. This one says 6 hours in the sun will give you 6 months of battery life. So put it out in the sun for at least 6 hours.